Now, U.S. stock futures shrugging off overnight gains in Asian stocks. Kathy Yang has been tracking the markets there, and she joins us now with the details from Hong Kong. Kathy?
Hey, Scarlett. Asian stocks extended gains a second straight session. There were a lot more to cheer about rather than worry over. The IMF announcing it'll raise global growth forecasts, and George Soros saying the worst of the global recession is over. Japan's improving confidence and talk over increased lending among Chinese banks also lifted the region shares. Just take a look at that. The Nikkei 225 in Tokyo, Hang Seng here in Hong Kong, and the ASX 200 index in Sydney all extended gains a second straight session. ICBC gained over 3.5% in Hong Kong on a report new loans in June will exceed lending in May. Separately, China's also ordered companies listed since 2006 to transfer some of their state-held shares to the National Pension Fund. The move, say the analysts, is fairly positive, the pension fund acting as a stabilizing force for the stocks there. Kansai Electric Power gained over 3.5% as well as crude prices fell. Nissan Motor also ended 5.5% higher on news saying the car maker will invest in a U.S. electric car plant. Nissan, along with NEC Corp, will be investing as much as $1 billion in the project to make lithium-ion batteries at a factory in Tennessee. The move allowing Nissan to tap government loans for environmentally friendly vehicles. And staying with Japan's manufacturers, a little bit of a spark of optimism as well. Japan's business confidence rebounds and demand for services goes up. The data reinforcing signs Japan's recession is easing. And over in China, the economy there at a key moment, so says Premier Wen Jiabao. He called for a moderately loose monetary policy and proactive financial policies. Wen's comments echoing those made earlier by the State Council saying the economy is in a critical phase. That's it. Back to you, Scarlett.